Meet Aitana, an AI influencer that earns over $10,000 per month. Today, I've got a crazy story to share about the wild world of social media, influencing, and how AI is crashing the party. Now, I know what you're thinking, another video about fake Instagram influencers. But trust me, this one goes way beyond the usual fast-tuned photos and bot followers. A successful influencer marketing agency called The Clueless is hustling hard to pair social media creators with big brands. Business is booming for founders Rub in Cruz and Diana Inez. That is, until the actual human influencers start getting a bit too demanding. You see, the market for hot influencers is ultra competitive. And as their follower counts grow, so do their egos and price tags. The diva behavior and sky-high fees have Rub, Ben, and Diana pulling their hair out. And don't even get them started on the entitled attitudes. Something had to give. That's when these clever entrepreneurs came up with a wild idea: why work with real influencers when they could create their own virtual one? Welcome to the world of Aitana, the world's first completely AI-powered social media star. Rub in, Diana used advanced artificial intelligence to custom design every aspect of Aitana's online identity. Her chic fashion looks, envy-inducing vacay pics, thoughtful captions, all fabricated by a futuristic algorithm. But the crazy part is how legit it seems. Everything from her perfect skin to lively eyes make Aitana totally pass as an authentic Spanish chico thriving on the gram. What started as an experiment has turned into a runaway success. In just 6 months, over 100,000 people are eating up Aitana's feed, oblivious to her inhuman origins. And major brands are lining up to partner with the hottest new influencer on the digital scene. No prima donna behavior required. Better still, this cyber starlet is raking in some serious cash for The Clueless. We're talking between $3,000 to $11,000 per month in sponsorship and endorsement deals. All those likes and comments are literally paying the bills. And get this, one handsome Latin actor even asked Aitana out, fully fooled by her computer-generated charm. Sorry, bro, but this hottie is 100% animated fantasy. Now, the idea of fake virtual shills invading social media does sound kinda Black Mirror-esque. But you can't hate the hustle. In many ways, The Clueless is ahead of the curve. And they're not alone. A growing industry of AI-generated influencers are poised to dominate the scene. Each one carefully crafted to sell us stuff and make their creators money. So while robots running influencer marketing may still freak some people out, it could become the norm. As the tech continues improving, we could see the days of flesh and blood internet stars coming to an end. And millions of followers who are none the wiser as the computer-powered takeover goes down. For now, you can expect the Clueless crew to keep hustling with their pixel-powered moneymaker. And they'll ride this virtual gravy train as more brands shell out big bucks for Aitana's mythical reach. Sure, it's a little shady, but is it really any phonier than the filtered faces and fake figures peddled by humans? Sign of the times, I guess. To learn how to create your own AI influencer, click the link in the description below. Let me know what you think of this wild story in the comments. Would you buy something just because an artificial internet celebrity told you to? And what's next? Automated TikTok dances and VR meet and greets with CGI stars. Hit that like button if your mind is blown, and smash subscribe for more tech tales. Lattes, humans.